LOCKERROOM Retro Replay.
Grant, I'll get you to read the post, okay? This is what I put up on Facebook yesterday.
Lachlan Cross updates his Facebook status and writes, I'm doing something right now that'll make a lot of people in my life very happy. Vague booking. So everyone was commenting like therapy, showering, stuff like that.
Anger management.
No one guessed. Here's the audio of me telling my wife what I was doing yesterday. Okay, here it is.
I had my hearing test today.
How did that go?
Good. She was telling me that in some situations, like long-term relationships, women will alter.
This is a bullshit story.
They will alter the register of their voices.
This is a bullshit story.
In an effort to.
This is a bullshit story.
To drive their men crazy, so that it's probably you.
I knew it was bullshit.
Not me.
By the time you said the second sentence.
So my hearing's perfect.
Perfect,
What did they actually say?
This is your problem. I need.
They actually say.
I need hearing aids.
Do you actually?
A couple months ago, you tried to tell us you had perfect hearing, and your wife overheard it. And she was like, "Whoa, are you kidding me?"
To be fair, it's not an old age thing. This is, I probably needed hearing aids years ago. I had some major hearing damage when I was a kid.
Are you going to get them?
No.
So is what you're saying is you're not always ignoring us just for the sake of ignoring us. You just can't hear us.
No, I can't
I know
hear
a couple signs I can do for you.
Don't do that sign
Hello.
again.
You need to learn how to read lips.
You guys are going to love this part. So after she did the hearing test, she started asking me a bunch of questions about my past and asked me if I had ever been diagnosed with ADHD.